What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get verified on Twitch, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to get verified on Twitch. So to become verified, you must first become a partner on Twitch. This recommends reaching the following milestones before you submit your application. You need to submit for a minimum of 25 hours within the last 30 days, stream on at least 12 different days within the last month, and have at least 75 concurrent viewers watching your channel. You will automatically get Twitch verified badge when you become a partner. Not everyone who applies to be a partner is approved. So how to get the Twitch verified user badge? To get the Twitch verified badge, you need to become a Twitch partner. To achieve this, you need to make sure that you're following the full terms and services of Twitch. While affiliates are allowed to stream on other platforms, Twitch asks partners to not do that. You must also show that you add value to the Twitch community and don't have any strikes against your account. So what is a verified badge? Is a purple octagon with a check mark on it. It's displayed by your name at the top of the screen. It was released in 2017 at the same time as the platform released its affiliate program. So basically, you, as I told you earlier, these are the requirements. You become a Twitch partner, stream 500 minutes, have a minimum of 7 different streams in the last 30 days, have 50 followers, and an average view count of 3, which is a Twitch affiliate. We talked about this in previous videos. So overall, those are the ways on how to become a Twitch verified streamer. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.